Well, welcome to the numbers lesson. So we're in the next level of lessons here. If you want to spend a whole lesson just reviewing everything we've done so far, you can certainly do that. You just take one lesson, just the games, practice games of all the language we've done. Or if you're wanting to jump straight ahead, we're into the numbers lesson. Very simple, very easy. One of the things we've done here, because we're doing Genki English and because we're using the special songs that allow us to teach so much more quickly, instead of just doing, say, numbers 1 to 7 or 8 or 9, which a lot of teachers do, with Genki English it's very easy to go all the way up to 12. The reason we do that is because we can then jump straight into telling the time, which is very easy. Of course, 11 and 12 are the most difficult ones for pronunciation. So in the song here we have a special technique where you're basically just jumping and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll see with the song. 8, 9, 10, 11. And you tell the kids you're going to go to 12, but you always forget to do the 12. So you just go 10, 11, and just wait. And magically what happens is all the kids will start shouting out 12! And the freaky thing is, it's the same for adults. When I do this with adult classes as well, you see some of the adults below, they do the same thing. I just go 11, and they all go 12. And that just gets, A, it finishes on a high note, and B, it gets everybody saying the 12 word, which can sometimes be a more complicated, a little bit difficult to pronounce. But in this song, it's easy. So warm up and review everything we've done so far, go through the questions, input with the words and the song. Because there's no real meaning to these words, it's just counting, you can pretty much go straight into the mini lesson and then go through the song, put the jumping in as well. And then finally we've got the game section for the output. Now, in the previous lessons I've sort of kept it really simple and almost quite strict in just recommending 1 or maybe 2 games, ones without preparation or anything. But of course, once you've gone through the Genki English curriculum, you can start adding in and changing around and adding extra things in to get more practice for what your students particularly need. And especially in this theme, I've got my recommended game, which is the Unlucky 13 game, which works great for all ages, but I've also put a lot of other different suggestions and ideas that you can use there. So you can add those up and mix and match. So, the first time through the curriculum, teach it, as I say, in the order. We spent 20 years, thousands of teachers giving feedback, millions of students to get the real best results for the students. But after that, once you've gone through it a few times, feel free to change, mix it around, and definitely send in your suggestions so we can make everything better. So the numbers are here mainly for one reason only, that's so we can teach the how are you, not how are you, how old are you? I knew I'd made that mistake, but mistakes are cool, you just try again. So we can teach the how old are you lesson, which is coming up next, which is of course is one of the most popular lessons. Anyway, check out the videos below and enjoy. Catch you later.